sucks. Like.
Okay, Mojo video with Andrew. He's going to teach me how to put a video on a page and also have the little play button on it and also have arrows that point to the video. Gia? Alright.
Alright, so basically you have the video uploaded into the system, you find it, whichever one it is, and you just click view on it, so it loads up in a page, it'll load up.
Hi, it was great to meet a true professional like you.
And then basically you just pause it at a point where you like it.
And what I really want to do...
So, I mean,
sure, that
we'll
looks
just do it right like that, but you usually find like a smile or something. Wait for the bar to load up all the way, and then you keep it paused so that the play button stays on there. And then real simple on a Mac, it's actually, all you have to do is hold Shift Command 4. It changes the arrow to like a little cross on it, and you just click and drag over just the picture part of it, or the video part. Let go.
Wow.
And then, well, it's right there.
Right there.
And you can, it's already got it on there.
And how do we make that into...
So then and then you can name it whatever, whatever the video name is, just name the picture that too, so you know which video it's linked with. This was nice to meet you one, so you would name it nice to meet you. So it's there, it's on your desktop, and all you have to do, if you need the pictures, I'm gonna pause this one here.
Alright. Doesn't let me pause for some reason.
There's an easy way, because you don't have Photoshop on your computer?
I do, but I don't use it. I mean, I'm only using this one just today.
Oh, okay. What would you normally, would it still be on a Mac?
Yes.
Okay. So you can drag it into Photoshop.
Well, my hands are kind of full, so I can't like read. Yeah. Just email or text, either one. Cool. Thanks. See ya.
What's this? This one, what I'll probably do is a shapes button somewhere.